bond that holds this club together isn't about love or brotherhood anymore. It's just fear and greed now. Clay's days are numbered. I'm done with Sam Crow.